welcome back again to my channel. Now, today's video ay para sa inyo mga Aries. Para ngayong 15 to 30, ngayong June. Kaya tutok na Aries. So, Aries, paalala, this is not for everybody. Kaya take what is resonant for you. Alright. So, Aries, paalala din, ikaw pa rin ang master ng iyong buhay. No? Nakasalalay pa rin sa inyong mga kamay ang lahat. Ito ay mga gabay lamang, Aries. So, Spirit Guide, Angels Guide, what is your message for Aries para ngayong June? Oh, gee, show me. Spirit Guide, Angels Guide, what is your message for Aries? Show me, show me. Oh, oh. Wow, Aries. So, Aries, some of you makatanggap ng malaking pera. Some of you manalo ba ng loto, no? Something. Or pinaghirapan mo ba? Something, mga pera na hindi natin alam. Aries, no? Kung saan galing. Some of you, may batang lalaki dito na nagbibigay sa iyo ng abundance. Idea ba? No? Mga plano ba na nagdadala sa iyo ng yaman? Aries, okay. Yes. So, Aries, may mga legal matters, mga kontrata, visa contract, work contract, loan ba dito na ma-approve, or mga marriage contract, business contract, something, no? Yeah, so Aries, some of you you have ability to solve big problem, Aries. Some of you clever, smart, no? Direct to the point, prangka, but the truth is, you have a good heart, Aries. Okay, so some of you ay protektado ng ating spirit guide, ng ating angels guide, ang mga Aries. Okay, walang sino mang maka-atraka sa mga Aries. So, Aries, public recognition, madidiscover, makikilala ang mga Aries. Yes. So, kung ikaw ay kilala na, sikat na, andyan pa rin ang iyong kasikatan, hindi kumukupas, Aries. Okay. So, some of you, kung ikaw ay may relasyon na, perfect relationship, kayo, Aries. Kung ikaw naman ay single pa, something, may paparating dito na tao na magkasunog kayo, Aries. Alright, so the divine is in your side kung pag-uusapan natin na spiritually, Aries. Alright. So, ito'y depende lamang sa bara, okay? So, take what is resonant for you, Aries. So, kung pag-uusapan naman natin about sa earth, no? Something, this is father figure, nanda kang gabayan, tulungan, Aries. Okay. So, some of you ay mataas ang iyong posisyon ba, nire-respeto, something, no? So, Aries, be careful sa ating mga diksyon, huwag padalos-dalos, okay? So, be careful din, dealing about money, dealing about mga kontrata, baka may scam tayo, so basahin ng mabuti, or dealing about business, no? Baka may scam tayo, so you have the devil card here, Aries. Alright? Or either may tao ditong may masamang tingin sa iyong perang paparating, Aries. Okay. So, laging alerto, Aries. Alright. So, kailangan mo ditong protektaan ang iyong yaman, Aries. Eh? Yes. Kailangan mo itong protektaan ang iyong pag-aari ba, mga lupa ba, whatever. See, you have the devil card, Aries. So, yes. So, ito ay klarong-klaro, no? Dito sa iyong baraha. Ang iyong posisyon ba, something, no? Yes, Aries. Alright, so you have hiding enemies. So, not everybody happy for you. Not everybody like you, Aries. Kaya, wag masyadong kampante. Wag masyadong super close. Something like that. Okay, see? Some of you ay may nag-spy dito sa iyo, mga Aries. Alright. So, Aries, some of you maraming plano. Some of you may masasandalan ang mga Aries din. So, kung ano man yung mga katanungan natin dyan, Aries, the answer is yes. Let's say, for example, gusto mo bang mag-abroad? Gusto mo bang mag-negosyo? Gusto mo bang mag-asawa na? The answer is yes, Aries. Okay. So, you are the Earth Angel also, Aries. Some of you may mga tadhana dito sa Earth. No? Something like that. You have mission here on this Earth, Aries also. Yes, you are giving, you're sharing, mapagmahal ka, no? Madali kang lapitan, aksyonan agad kung may mga problema, something, no? Ang mga Aries. Yes. So, Aries, this is not only giving, this is also receiving. Kaya some of you ay makatanggap ng malaking pera, blessings ba, something like that, Aries. ngayong June, bago matapos ang buwang ito, Aries. Yeah, be careful to spend money also, baka mauwi sa pag-away-away, ma-overspending, ma-out of budget, something, no? So, be careful also, may na-invade dito sa inyong relationship. Dahil siguro sa iyong pagka-perfect relationship, magkasundo, something, or magkapareho ba kayo ng negosyo, trabaho, something like that, no? So, may na-invade dito. So, use protection at laging magdasal, Aries, sa inyong relationship. Or about sa inyong pamilya ba, something, Aries. Alright. Yeah, may mga meditation affirmation din dito na magkatotoo sa mga Aries, no? Ngayong June. So, may mga success, may mga wish fulfillment, may mga mission accomplish ngayong June sa mga Aries. Some of you may mga kasalan ba? Some of you may imbitahan ba sa party ngayong June? So, may mga new opportunity, new beginning, no? So, some of you mga Aries, you have a connection with the divine, Aries. Ng ating spirit ba, ng ating angels ba, ng ating ancestors also, Aries. Yes. Alright. Yeah, shine like a star ang mga Aries, oh. Yes, andyan pa rin ang kasikatan ng mga Aries. Hindi pa rin nawawala sa mata ng tao, sa mata ng ating mga kaibigan, something like that. Okay, kaya medyo may na-invade dito, Aries, no? So, Aries, some of you you are the star. Shine like a star ang mga Aries ngayong June. As I've told you, some of you makikilala mo di-discover. Kung ikaw ay kilala na, andyan pa rin ang iyong kasikatan, ang iyong pagka-popular, Aries. Alright. Yeah, so some of you may mga healing ability ang mga Aries din. You can heal sensitive na mga tao, mga na-broken hearted, mga nawala ng pag-asa, something, Aries. Okay. Some of you mga Aries ay magaling na teacher, mentor, advisor, no? Something like that, ang mga Aries. Big harvest sa negosyo kung ikaw ay negosyante, Aries. Abundance din ang mga Aries ngayong June. So, Aries, this card also ay nagpapaalala sa inyo na remember who you are, Aries. How powerful you are, Aries. Okay. Remember or take back your power kung sino ka man, Aries. Yes. Okay. So, mala star beauty ang mga Aries din, no? Mababae man o malalaki. Something may mga nabibighani dito din sa inyong kagandahan or kagapuan, Aries. So, be careful also, Aries, of the devil card, no? May something na in love dito sa iyong kagandahan or may pagnanasa. So, take good care. Huwag masyadong kampante sa mga nakapaligid sa atin, Aries. Okay? You have the devil card, okay? Or may mga tukso din dito, Aries, sa inyo ngayong June. Baka matukso pa tayo, mauwi pa sa pag-away-away sa pamilya, Aries, eh? So, take what is resonant for you. So, think wisely before natin gawin ang mga bagay-bagay, Aries, ngayong June. Yung mga labag sa batas, labag sa mata ng ating Panginoon, something like that. Okay. So, Aries, you are victorious. You are born to be a CEO. Some of you makatanggap ng reward, appreciation, certification, something like that sa inyo mga Aries. Okay. Oh, prosperous, wealthy, and abundance ang mga Aries. So, kung ikaw ay trabahante, stable pa rin ang job ng mga Aries hanggang ngayon. So, some of you ay yayaman or magkaroon ng yaman nang dahil lang din sa iyong pagka-ikaw, Aries. Nobody can help you, only yourself, Aries. Yan, naabot mo yung pangarap, yung mga success, something, nang dahil lang din sa iyong pagka-ikaw, Aries. Okay, some of you mga Aries ay may mga success dito. Paano mga plano natin dyan? Success ngayong June. Okay. Yeah, be careful. See, you have betrayal, lying, and spying. So, as I've told you, you have hiding enemies here. Wag masyadong kampante, super close, something like that. Kung may mga plano, may mga idea, keep silent lamang. Kung may mga malaking perang paparating, silent lamang. Kung may mga na-approve na mga plano, mga whatever, silent lamang. You have the betrayal, lying, and spying. Kung may mga plano, baka makopya pa, no? Something. Yes. Or baka gayahin pa ang iyong pagka-ikaw, Aries, no? but nobody can copy you, Aries. You're the only one, Aries. Okay? So, siguro nakopya ang iba, pero ang iba, hindi. Okay, Aries? Yes. So, Aries, this is your bottom of the deck. See? Perfect relationship, mga desire na ma-achieve, may mga dream come true, something like that. Some of you may kakasal, as I've told you, no? Something. Ngayong June, sa mga single, okay? Take what is resonate for you. May mga good news, may mga freedom din ng mga Aries ngayong June. Magawa mo kahit anong gusto mo, Aries. Okay. Maraming plano ang mga Aries. May mga wish fulfillment, may mga mission accomplished, something like that ng mga Aries ngayong June. Some of you full of excited, full of happiness, may mga travel, no? So, additional message for Aries para ngayong June. Show me, show me, show me. Lord. Aries, Aries, Aries. So, Aries, again, success, victorious, see? This is same meaning. Card, Aries. No? Born to be a CEO din ng mga Aries. No? Some of you makatanggap ng reward, appreciation, certification. No? Wala star beauty. This is same card also ang lumalabas, Aries, see? Star, no? Shine like a star ang mga Aries. No? Some of you ay sisikat, madi-discover, no? Ngayong June. So, Aries, be careful, okay? Again, this card is here, no? Pag-away-away, hindi pagkakasundo sa pamilya, something, no? Mga Aries. So, be careful sa ating mga addiction para hindi mawi sa pag-away-away, no? So, Aries, some of you ay may mga delayed. Kung ano man yung mga delayed na yan ay paparating na rin yan, Aries. Okay, may mga proposal, may mga good news. Wow, sana all. So, Aries, may mga trouble. Yes, Aries, ngayong June. May mga important email, something like that, no? Aries. So again, may mga wish fulfillment, may mga excitement, may mga travel, something. Sana all. So Aries, this card reminds you that you're a very powerful person. You have a lots of love and compassion. You are emotionally beautiful, clever, smart also, Aries. Kaya nobody can destroy you, Aries. Okay? Nobody can destroy you. See? Mga betrayal, lying, no? Mga hiding enemies, something, no? Some of you, sinisiraan ka, no? Pero ikaw, dinidedma mo lang. Ini-ignore mo lang ang mga taong naninira, mga taong mag-betrayal, something, no? Sa iyo, mga Aries. Kumbaga, hindi sila makaka-ano sa iyo, makakalusot. Alam mo kung paano mo depensahan ang iyong sarili. Kaya, hindi sila makaka-atake sa iyo, mga Aries. Okay, Aries. So, some of you, mga friends, ay nag-run away na sa iyo, mga Aries, no? Some of you. Family ba, whatever, like that, no? But, God never leave you, Aries. Yes. The divine is on your side, Aries, no? Yes, so, yeah. So, additional message for Aries para ngayong June. Show me. Show me, Aries. Aries, family member is jealous. OMG. Gossiping on you. As I've told you, sinisira ka ng mga Aries dito. But, hindi kanila ma-destroy, Aries. No? Yes, nobody can destroy you. You are very powerful. You have a lots of admirers on all. Mga Aries. Oh my God, God is in your side, Aries. So, kung ano ang barang ginamit ko dito, same din ang lumalabas dito, Aries. Okay. You are the first millionaire of your family. OMG. Aries. Claim it, Aries. Yes. Again, your love is real, Aries. See? As I've told you, mabagmahal ka. You're the earth angel. Mawain ka. Something, no? Yes. So, yes. You are the chosen one. OMG. So, comment ka dyan, Aries, kung chosen one ka ba. Oh my goodness. See? The divine is in your side, Aries. You are very close, Aries. You have connection with the divine, with the angel, with spirit guide, Aries. You are the earth angel also. Yes, you have a big mission here on this earth, OMG. No comment. Yes, Aris, what is this? Again, family member is jealous. He is working on your challenges, Aris. So let go of stress and trust God, Aris. Okay, huwag magpa-stress, Aris. You're helping without return. See? This is you. You're helping. Na walang kapalit, Aris. God say, my child, when people put you down, I will pick you up, Aris. See? Aris, all of this card are mga divine messages para sa inyo. Alright. So, that's all, Aris. Hope you like it, my reading. Okay. Aris. Alright. So, huwag kalimutang mag-comment. Huwag kalimutang i-share ang video nito. Sharing is caring, right? So, see you in my next video. Bye-bye.